Good morning, students. Let's continue our chapter. Here we are at the conversation of Frank and Taplow. Mr. Frank, and I don't know any boy who doesn't use that for his own purpose. Taplow, well, it's natural, sir, but not with the croc. It means Mr. Crocker Harris is not the same type of teacher who just promote the student for his own selfishness. Frank, Mr. Crocker Harris. Then Taplow, Mr. Crocker Harris. The funny thing is that in spite of everything I do, rather like him, I can't help it. And sometime I think he sees it and what? And that seems to shrivel him up even more. It means Mr. Crocker Harris, he is different type of teacher, but I like him really because of his special qualities, and he really have a sixth sense to understand the mind of the students also. Frank, I'm sure you are exaggerating. It means ki you are really talking too much about your teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris. Taplow, no sir, I am not. Informed the other day he made one of his classical jokes. Of course nobody laughed because nobody understood it, myself included. Still I knew he would mean it as funny, so I laughed out of ordinary common politeness, feeling a bit sorry for him for having made a poor joke. Now I can't remember what the joke was, but suppose I make it now. You laugh, sir. Frank laughs. Mean Mr. Crocker Harris also having a very good sense of humor. Yesterday in the class he just told a joke to the student, but student could not understand that one, but Taplow laughed. Why? Because he thought that it is something funny told by Mr. Crocker Harris, so he laughed. Frank was also laughed to listen this kind of statement by the Taplow about Mr. Crocker Harris. Taplow, in a gentle, throaty voice, Taplow, you laughed at my little joke. I notice. I must confess that I pleased at the advance, and your Latin has made sense. You so readily have understood what the rest of the form did not. Perhaps now you would be good enough to explain it to them so that they too can share your pleasure. Taplow further said that Mr. Crocker Harris thought Taplow have a good knowledge of Latin language, that is why he was able to understand the joke, and he also told him to explain the meaning of the joke to the further students of the class so that they also can take pleasure of the joke also. The door just opened upright is pushed open, and the Millie Crocker Harris enters. She is the wife of Mr. Crocker Harris, and she is a thin woman in her late 30s and rather more smartly dressed than the general run of the schoolmaster wife. She is wearing a cape and carries a shopping basket. She closes the door and then stands by the screen watching Taplow and Frank. It is a few seconds before they notice her. Frank and Taplow both were astonished because wife of Mr. Crocker Harris was appearing there, and they don't know how long she was standing outside there, and they both were really astonished because they were confused what kind of conversation, and since a long time she was listening there. Frank, come along, Taplow. Move slowly above the desk. Do not be so selfish as to keep a good joke to yourself. Tell the others. And he breaks off suddenly, noticing Millie. Oh Lord. Frank just tried to change the concept of their talking to observe Mrs. Crocker Harris there. Frank turns quickly and seems infinitely relieved and seeing Millie. Frank, oh hello, Millie, without expression. Hello. She comes down to the sideboard and puts her basket in. It means they were really very shocked and confused. Either Mrs. Crocker Harry was standing outside there just right now, or she was standing there for a long time and she was listening all the conversation between both of them. Tableau, moving up to the left of Frank, whispering frantically, "Do you think she heard?" Frank shakes his head comfortingly. Millie takes off her cape and hangs in on the hall stand, and I think she did. She was standing there quite a time. Frank, if she did and she tells him, there goes my remove. Tableau, Frank, nonsense. He crosses to the fireplace. Uh, Tableau is really afraid because if Mr. Mrs. Crocker Harris listen all the thought of between both of them, and if she would tell to her husband the all thing, the all conversation between two people there, and his removal to the next class might be stopped. But Frank is saying that no, this is not so, because Mr. Crocker Head is not the same type of person. Millie takes the basket from the sideboard, moves above the table and puts the basket on it. It means Millie, the wife of Mr. Crocker Head, is behaving very normally and comfortably, and she did not show any kind of gesture that she heard a lot of thing about her husband. Student, just read these out, and tomorrow we will continue our chapter. Goodbye.